Speed and accuracy can make all the difference in a life or death scenario. In this video, we break down the fundamentals of quick-draw pistol techniques perfect for tactical operators, self-defense enthusiasts, and competitive shooters. Quick-draw is not just about speed, it's about controlled accuracy. Whether for self-defense or combat, the goal is to neutralize a threat in the shortest possible time without compromising precision. Let's explore the three primary quick-draw techniques used by professionals. Strong side hit draw are common for open carry and duty holsters. Appendix carry draw, faster for concealed carry. Cross draw, less common but useful when seated. Now, let's break down the quick draw process step by step. Step 1. Grip. Establish a firm grip on the pistol before drawing. Step 2. Draw. Pull straight up to minimize resistance. Step 3. Rotate. Align your pistol with the target quickly. Step 4. Extend and fire. Push the pistol forward while acquiring your sights. Step 5. Reset. Return to a ready position or holster. Just reminder. Step 1. Grip. Establish a firm grip on the pistol before drawing. Step 2. Draw. Pull straight up to minimize resistance. Step 3. Rotate. Align your pistol with the target quickly. Step 4. Extend and fire. Push the pistol forward while acquiring your sights. Step 5. Reset. Mastering the quick draw requires consistent training. Here are 3 drills to improve speed and accuracy. 1. Dry fire practice. No ammo. Focus on speed. 2. Shot timer drill. Use a shot timer to measure draw speed. 3. Target transition drill. Quickly engage multiple targets. Quick draw techniques require discipline, control, and practice. Drop a comment below what's your preferred carry method. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tactical breakdowns.